So this is one of our rooms. Para may idea kayo, Padre Burgos Castle Resort Family Room. Ayan. So ito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang 2 bed. Madaming unan, pero hindi ko masyadong comfortable yung unan. Hindi ako masyadong nakatulog kagabi. Or baka ako lang. Tapos, ito naman yung toilet nila. Malaki siya, maluwag. Toilet and bath. And ito yung shower. Pero wala silang water supply. And sabi naman nila, na timingan lang daw. Kasi nag-fiesta kaya meron di ko na naintindihan. Yung TV nila out of service. Tapos ayan, meron silang aircon. Meron ditong working space or vanity area. Ganyan. May fridge. Hindi namin to nagamit. Ayan. Okay. So, ito naman. This is so, dito sa labas. Ayan. Ganda naman yung view. Actually, winner yung view dito. Especially yung dagat nila. Kaso nga lang, yeah, yung facilities nila talagang kailangan mag-improve if they want the guests to come back. Sa experience ko, probably this is my last time. Ohio!
Ohio, morning.
Good morning. How was your sleep?
Good. I slept very
Really?
well.
Oh, I'm
How about
happy.
you? Good.
This is what it looks like in the morning. It's almost 7 a.m. It's really a nice place. The location is really good. Especially kasi may beach access to Tangkaan Beach, which is a very famous beach here in Padre Burgos. Pero yun na nga, yung facilities. The pool, it does not look very inviting kasi it looks dirty. Ayan. So this is the whole hotel. Ayan. Okay. Yung shower, yung outdoor shower nila, it's also out of service. So, yan. Madami talagang kailangan i-improve. Guys, that's the Limasawa Island. So, if gusto nyong tumawid sa Limasawa Island, of course, punta kayo dito sa Padre Burgos. Dito kayo tatawid. So, nilinis na sila. Nindot pa naman yun yung resort, sir. We are heading to a beautiful destination, Padre Burgos.
Classic.
Yeah.
Classic.
So we call this hopia.
Cracker plate.
Yeah, you wanna try?
Yes.
Oh,
Sora is ready! Okay.
ちょっとさっちゃんこれちょっと取ってもらって縦で取ってもらって。It's hard.
Yeah.
It's hard.
May sabon.
Crispy, yes.
Rice cracker and cookie mix. Yeah, it's mixed. It's good. It's good.
Sabi ng queens. Nakataglak dito mo sa inyo.
I don't know what's inside. The brown one? Yes. What's that? Brown?
Ano tayo sulod ko no?
What's inside, ma?
It's not chocolate.
Ah, sugar, mascovado.
Caramel. Caramel.
Ah. It's good. Yeah.
It's so big.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're here at Cafe Romara for our lunch. I chose this cafe because of the view for our Japanese guests. Thank you, Lord, for the good weather. Looks
Oh, nice. You wanna take a photo? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheese! Ah, that's a nice butter.
Carbonara.
Carbonara.
And this is spring roll.
Spring roll.
Here we call it lumpia.
So what's in it?
Pork.
Pork.
Yeah. We're gonna ask our Japanese friends if they like it.
Yeah.
Because Japan is known for their really good quality food. Okay, let's ask Sora-chan.
Okay.
What does she think of the carbonara?
Okay, let's eat. Yes.
Okay. Let's go.
Ricotta.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you think about the carbonara? Creamy? Hot? Hot? It's not hot? How is it? Yay! Creamy. There's a what mushroom in it? Noah loves eating mushroom.
Oh, that's but mushroom is healthy, right?
Tasty.
You can survive in the Philippines with all the food.
Creamy.
Here with Sora-chan. We're going to check in now at our hotel here in Padre Burgos. This is the Padre Burgos Castle Resort. What do you think, Sora? Do you like it? Yeah. Out of service. So this is the reason, the only reason why we chose this hotel, because of this beach access to Tangkaan Beach. Because obviously we have kids, so I have a baby, and then our Japanese guest also has a baby, and so we don't want to parang gusto namin andyan na lahat, like easy access to the beach. So this is the beach side here, but really so far our experience here in the hotel is not so promising. The towels were not ready, and there were some problems with the water and stuff like that, but the view here is amazing, definitely. She's happy. Right now we're here at Kuting Reef here in Macluhon, southern Leyte. So this is about 7 kilometers away from our hotel in Padre Burgos. Honestly, we're just really sad because the location of that hotel is really good. I mean, the fact that they have an access to Tangkaan Beach is really amazing. Tangkaan Beach is just so beautiful. But the facilities of that hotel definitely need a lot of improvement. And they need a lot of changes, especially water. I'm just so disappointed, but I'm just so glad that our guests are very understanding about the situation. So, we have not stayed in this hotel yet. This is in Kuting Reef. This hotel is 50% off all the time. This is our, I think, probably second. This is our second time. And we only come here to eat. Before we had our lunch here. And right now, we're here for dinner. Maybe next time we can try to stay because the hotel looks really nice. And the pool. Yun lang, wala kasi silang Tangkaan Beach. Yung Tangkaan Beach kasi talaga yung hapon. But anyway, thank you for watching. Dinner time at Kuting Reef. We have our canola, pambet. Hi. Hope you're enjoying your stay here.
We are having so much fun. Yay!
We have a bag.
Yes, I got really nice bag.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone. So we are having our simple breakfast. Very healthy. Very healthy breakfast. Look. Wow, healthy Mr. Chips.
You remove this?
With the kids and Yakult.
And then
We're checking out now. We're gonna move to another hotel.